and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have done sultry, date night, red lip, orange eye, sultry vibes makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching, and also click the like and subscribe button if you enjoy. So firstly, we're going to moisturise and prime our skin in preparation for the foundation. And guys, I've got all of the products listed below. Using my lovely beauty blender, I'm going to dab that all over my face, making sure you use dabbing motions and not swiping motions. My face is so pale in comparison to my body. Fake tan problems. So now I'm going to go onto my concealer, and I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, and I've got some discoloration on my cheeks as well. Using my amazing beauty blender again, I'm going to put some loose powder underneath my eyes just to bake, and then I'm going to keep it there while I'm doing my eye makeup, excuse the dancing, so I can brush away the fallout. So I'm going to be using my Naked palette, and then I'm going to take this lighter shade and then go into the darker shades and just build up and try to make the crease look a bit more dark and intense. Brushing away all of that loose powder, I'm then going to take that orange colour and then drag that underneath my eyes. Coating my top and bottom lashes with some mascara, and then I'm going to put this amazing eyelashes on. They're from Primark, they're £5 and they're literally amazing. Now I'm going to chisel out my cheekbones with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is a godsend and totally worth spending that little bit extra money. Now I'm going to use some setting spray. I find if you use setting spray before you put on your highlight, it makes your skin a little bit wet and therefore the highlight sticks better. Then I'm going to put some red lipstick on. I'm going to skip out the lip liner just because I feel like lip liner makes it look a bit crusty and like a little bit less wearable. And then I'm going to take a lip brush and then define the edges with that. Okay, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, click the like and subscribe button for more.